Welcome to our laboratory information system, where we've designed a smart and user-friendly interface for interacting with laboratory machines. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the entire process, starting from creating test orders for patients to generating and reporting the results. Additionally, we'll provide an overview of some key application features. To place a test order manually, log in with your credentials and go to the sidebar. Find and select Manual Patient Panel Request. In the form, enter the patient ID. You can use the search icon to confirm patient details like name and date of birth on the right column. Below, choose the desired analysis from the Method tab for the patient's classification. Once selected, click on Request Panels to proceed. To gather samples, navigate to the main page and choose Outstanding Samples. You'll see requested samples organized by the request date. Print the barcode for the relevant sample. Once you've completed the sample collection, click the nearby Collected button. To accept a sample, the technician evaluates its condition and aligns it with the requested test orders. If the sample meets the criteria, it gets accepted. Once accepted, the order is sent to the relevant analytical machine. If rejection is necessary, the technician can click the Reject barcode, initiating a rejection form that requires completion. Sample test orders are categorized based on the requested method or panels list. Laboratory technicians can view the work list segments by navigating to Outstanding Runs. Additionally, the sample status bar provides information about the current stage of the sample. To process the chromatography worklist, users start by loading data files from the acquisition machine's computer. To do this, navigate to Upload Samples and choose the specific chromatography type, LC-GC, LC-MS, or GC-MS. Browse and select the acquired files, then click Upload. Once files are successfully loaded, they are displayed, and red color-coded sample IDs draw attention to instances where no corresponding order exists for the uploaded file. At this juncture, users can choose to omit such samples from the list or select None to proceed. The uploaded files can be viewed under the method's slot name in the sample review page. Sample results need to undergo a review for approval, followed by acceptance and, ultimately, saving the accepted results into the database. Users can review uploaded sample results from either the chromatography acquisition machines or those received through HL7 messages. Upon review, they can approve the results. The entire approved list is then authorized for acceptance by the relevant user with the necessary roles. After the acceptance of samples, users can save them into the database by selecting Transfer Accepted. To search for samples, you can navigate to it from the sidebar or click on Completed Samples on the home page. The listed samples will include those from the past 7 days, and there's an option to filter by date range. This same scenario applies to searching for quality samples and rejected barcodes. To view a patient's profile, you can either enter the patient ID in the search bar or click the patient ID link in the sample search list. In the patient profile page, samples from the past 7 days will be listed. Underneath, there's a chart displaying the utilization percentage of different methods for this patient. On the left side, you'll find the patient's information. And beneath that, a trend chart showing how often each compound appeared as positive. For search and filtration, in the upper right corner of patient information, you can use a filter engine with 3 options: date range, method, and compound. To filter by method, select the desired one. Choose the date range and click the filter icon. The sample list on the right will be filtered accordingly, and the compound trend chart will reflect the associated compound method. For more specific results, you can further filter by compound, which will display the compound concentration versus sample ID, allowing you to monitor the behavior of compound concentration. Clicking on the link opens the results in a new window, providing the option to generate a PDF report. Back in the patient profile, you can create a combined PDF report for the listed samples by clicking the printer icon. To search using a sample ID, utilize the search bar by entering the sample ID and clicking Search. The associated samples matching the sample ID for various analytical methods will be listed. Clicking on the sample ID link will open the results in a new window.
For all significant user actions, a notification record will be generated and can be accessed from the right corner. To send internal messages, click on Messages, then Compose. Choose the recipient. Write your message. And click Send. Similarly, received messages can be accessed from the inbox for convenient communication within the system. In document management, users with privileges can create and modify documents for each analytical machine. To create a new machine folder, navigate to Add Modified Document. Click Add New Folder. Enter the folder name. And click OK. Create a new document by clicking Add New Document. Enter the document title. Add the content. And then click Save. For users with viewing privileges, accessing documents is done by going to View Document and opening the required file.